Nails is such an art. That is why we charge what we charge nowadays for nails. For the last decade, nail tech has been very lenient with their price in their service of the nails. And a lot of times the clients only assume that we're not using a lot of the product and the time that we spend. But they don't realize that it's the craft, the creativities, the time that we sat there drawing each lines, drawing each creativities that they want on their nails. All of that takes practice. And while we are drawing, you guys are moving, talking, and we can't concentrate. Do you know at time we have to hold our pee together, our fart, our sneeze, our cough? Sometimes we almost faint just doing a line. That's the kind of pressure that we have to go through when we do some art on a small canvas like your fingernails. That is why we charge you. We're not charging you for the product. We can give you the product for free, but it's the craft, the art, the holding in your pee, your poop, your stomach's being hungry, growling. You still got to smile, be patient while the clients are moving. All of that takes in place of why we charge you what we charge you for a set of nails with amazing arts on it. So y'all just need to stop complaining.